Let's take care of them first. Let's do this. Deal with that.
Guess it's my turn. You got this.
Buzz off.
This fight's not over yet.
And swerve for me. You didn't think you're dense. When did you?
It's on you.
I got this. Don't stop now.
I'm over anything.
Try to end this. Gotcha. Here.
I got this. Don't overdo it.
You do it. Not really at all.
Let's do this. Deal with that.
I'm up for anything. I hope this isn't the end for you three. I was looking for
Whatever.
Let's go. You're up.
Hang back.
Let me handle this. You ready? Here. Good luck.
I got this. Don't overdo it.
I got this. Big rock. Keep it up. I don't think you'll walk away from this. Come on. Let's pour it in. I'm gonna teach you a lesson.
Keep it up.
You ain't gonna get away. Behold the full potential of the Airbuster. Executions.
Damn. All those strolls. Time to do your thing, big man.
Watch and learn. Just make sure you got my back, all right?
All set. Watch yourself.
My turn. Do your thing. Deal with that.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Now, get in there.
Yep.
Damn it.
I hear you loud and clear. I got this. Gotcha. Good luck.
Hang back. No holding back. Keep it together.
There.
Come on.
All set. Head up. You're up.
Let's do this. Bring it to
Guess it's my turn. How does it feel to hear your friends cry out in agony? I'm counting on you.
Let's go.
all the times. After you.
About damn time.
lead.
Guess it's my turn. I'm counting on you.
Let's go. You ready? Finish him off.
You brought this torment upon yourself.
No more
My dearest Avalanche, my apologies, but it is time that we part ways. This footage will prove invaluable in raising morale of our Sith rank and fire.